8 mysterious things caught on camera that science cannot explain. Number 8. Chinese mystery traffic accident. This mysterious video footage, recorded on a road in Qingtai, China, shows 2 white cars suddenly flying into the air as they approach a crossroads, colliding with an unseen object, and then reversing. Although this odd occurrence shocked the roadside onlookers, no one was able to offer a concrete explanation for what transpired. As a result, it remains an unknown incident with no explanation. Number 7. Flying angel. This video shows people gathering to witness something mysterious in the sky. One person quickly starts recording it with his phone, pointing his finger toward the sky. Then, in a moment, an angel-like figure emerges in the sky and instantly disappears into the clouds. This breathtaking moment leaves everyone in stunned silence and shock. Number 6. Angel saving a man in Indonesia. In 2012, a CCTV camera on an Indonesian highway captured a mysterious video. The video shows a biker crossing the road in the dead of night when a truck came speeding from his left side. At that moment, a mysterious angel appeared to save him from certain death. In the blink of an eye, moved both the rider and his 3-wheeler bike to a different part of the road. During this period, the angel's hand was glowing, and before anyone could comprehend what was happening, the angel walked away from the scene. Number 5. The invisible force. This video footage shows a young man attempting to cross a clear street, but in a sudden and shocking twist, right in the middle of the road, an unseen force lifts him into the air and throws him to the ground. Upon seeing this, the woman walking in the background is clearly shocked and in disbelief. While many viewers believe this was the result of some mysterious power, others claim it is a crack in the fabric of reality. Number 4. The demonic face behind the door. A man suddenly hears loud banging on his bathroom door. Out of fear, he starts filming with his phone camera. As he approaches the door, a face of someone can be seen behind it. If you look closely, you can see that the face looks distorted and demonic. But the shocking part is that as soon as he opens the door, the face vanishes and the banging stops, revealing an empty bathroom. Number 3. Mysterious car crash. In 2018, a mysterious car accident was captured on a traffic CCTV camera, where a car was seen colliding with an invisible object while attempting to make a U-turn. Upon impact, the car was sent crashing into the distance and shattered. This baffling clip left viewers wondering, was it a glitch in the Matrix or something else? Number 2. The little alien. This little alien-like creature, captured on camera, has sparked widespread debate and speculation online. In the viral clip, the enigmatic being is seen gracefully navigating the forest and entering a tree hole. Its mysterious green-toned body helps it blend into the surroundings. However, upon seeing this, many people believe it to be an alien secretly living in the forest. Number 1. Real mermaid in Mallorca, Spain. In 2013, a man was filming the picturesque surroundings of a lake in Mallorca, Spain. At one point in the video, he saw a mermaid sitting on a small rock and sunbathing. Although her face was not clearly visible, the upper portion of her body appeared human, while the lower half resembled that of a fish. For this reason, it remains a mystery to this day, which no one has been able to explain properly.